Good morning, Amanda. Yes, this last Friday of November, we'll continue to see some flurries throughout parts of New Brunswick this morning. Could see additional 2 to 5 centimeters continuing throughout the course of this morning before this low pressure system moves east towards Newfoundland and Labrador. We're going to see some scattered showers hanging around for parts of Nova Scotia, as well as into Cape Breton Island. As we take a look here, what our temperatures are for today, we're looking at highs of 4 in Fredericton, 8 in Halifax, and 3 in Charlottetown, with some more low pressure moving in later this afternoon. We are seeing snow, and that's continuing. A little bit of snowfall still continuing throughout the course of this morning. Environment Canada expecting between 2 to 5 centimeters of that continuous snowfall this morning before this system clears out. So as we take a look here at our radar and satellite from this morning, we're still seeing the majority of that snowfall up in northern parts of New Brunswick. A few scattered showers still coming through eastern parts of the province as well. And we do have a wind warning in effect. So we do have that wind warning still for parts of Cape Breton as well as into Newfoundland as the system clears out of our region. So that's throughout the course of this morning, probably going to continue into the early afternoon. Watching our forecast, we're going to see this system moving fairly quickly, mostly bringing some rain throughout Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island, as well as into Cape Breton Island throughout the course of today. We could even see some more flurries coming through northern parts of New Brunswick as the system heads into Labrador and Newfoundland throughout the course of today. So we're going to continue to see those flurries hanging around in Labrador especially, but also into parts of Newfoundland. Into Saturday, we could see some more scattered showers as well as a little bit of that mixed precipitation coming through. So a little bit of a wintry mix coming through parts of Nova Scotia for tomorrow into the weekend. As we take a look here, only trace amounts of rain pretty much. The majority of the rainfall we're seeing over in Newfoundland for the course of the next 24 hours. And then as we take a look at the snow outlook, we do continue to see a little bit of that buildup of snow in the Bathurst area, mostly just trace amounts throughout the rest of the Maritimes. But of course, the majority of that snow hanging around in Newfoundland and Labrador over the next 24 hours, as that is where that system's moving. We are going to see those winds start to taper down. So right now we are contending with pretty heavier wind gusts. We're going to continue to see that, of course, throughout parts of Cape Breton and into Newfoundland, but then they do start to taper down as we head into the evening while this system moves through. So what can we expect for today? Pretty average type temperatures. That snow ending this morning. We're going to continue to see some rainfall throughout the course of this morning into Prince Edward Island as well as into Cape Breton Island. Again, that wind in effect, especially in the Chetty Cap area. So just take that into consideration as you are heading out and about. Above seasonal temperatures throughout all of Nova Scotia as we head throughout our day today. But again, that rain clearing, could see some of that coming back into the region overnight though. As we take a look here into Labrador and Newfoundland, we're seeing freezing rain and flurries up north, and we're going to continue to see some of those flurries hanging around parts of Newfoundland with that wind warning as well.